I have the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 and I'll be showing you how to enable and also how to disable app notifications on this Galaxy Fit fitness band. So the best way to do this is on the phone, on the Galaxy wearable app, but you can attempt to start the process from here. So swipe up to go to the app screen and then go to settings and then go to notifications. And then when you tap on app notifications, it's going to send you to the phone and open the app notification settings. Now you can come here directly on the Galaxy wearable app by simply launching the app and then going to band settings and then going to notifications and tapping on app notifications. Either way, it's going to land you on this specific page. Now here, what you want to do is you can have one button for all apps, so you can enable notifications for all apps at once. Okay, or if you want to, you can leave that disabled and then you can go enabling notifications for specific apps. So for instance, if I want notifications from Amazon, I can enable that individually from that app individually. And if there's an app that's enabled and I want to disable, so for instance, if this is enabled and I want to disable notifications, I can just for this specific app, I can just turn that off. Okay, now the app notifications on the phone have to be enabled for you to be able to enable the notifications. So for instance, if you check an app like this one, LinkedIn, it says it's blocked on the phone, which means the phone itself has blocked those notifications, and that's my personal preference and I want it to use it that way. But if I want notifications on the Galaxy Fit 3, I need to first of all enable notifications on the phone itself. Okay, so I need to do that for every app. So we have messages, I could enable and disable like that. And that's basically how to enable and disable notifications. So this is a button for all notifications to enable and the button to disable all notifications. It's taking a bit of time, but should, yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.